Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on a 2007 Toyota Avalon. Start by parking on level ground, applying the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove any engine covers and note belt routing or take a photo. Gather basic hand tools, a jack and stands, and the replacement alternator. Work methodically, keeping bolts and parts organized, and test the charging system after installation for proper voltage. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and taking the belt off the alternator pulley while supporting the alternator. Unplug the electrical connectors and carefully disconnect the main alternator power cable to avoid damage. Remove the mounting bolts and gently lower the alternator from its bracket, keeping track of hardware and spacers. Inspect the bracket and wiring for wear, and compare the old unit to the replacement before proceeding with installation. Position the new alternator into the bracket and hand-thread mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment without cross-threading. Reconnect the main power cable and electrical connectors securely, confirming tight fits and correct routing. Reinstall the serpentine belt, set proper tension using the tensioner, and torque mounting bolts to manufacturer specifications. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, and verify charging voltage with a multimeter to confirm the alternator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.